What's going on? I'm Mark the Builder, and today I'm going to show y'all how I make my accent walls. I start all my accent walls with some 3/4 inch MDF, and I cut them down to 2 inches in width. I'm about to put some primer. I'll show y'all that. Hold on. This is Zenzer primer. I use this for the course. On this, MDF soaks up paint. So instead of wasting all the paint on soakage of the MDF, I will put a quick coat of primer on it. So I'm about to tell you what this is. This right here is called a roller keeper. Man, I love these things. So I just got finished painting my house. So when I'm done painting for the day or a couple hours, I'm able to put it. So what you do is, so say you rolling, you done for the day, and you like, man, I want to reuse this roller tomorrow. You throw it in the roller keeper, you squeeze it, pull it out. So now you take this here and you close it. You write the color so you can remember the color. And these things are great. MDF, the 3/4 inch MDF is prime. I'm gonna take them over to the table saw, and I'm gonna be cutting them at 2 inches. These are the slats that I cut. Each board will give you about 25 to 30 slats. So now I'm about to run these slats through the router table just to soften these edges up.
So now I flip them on the side, and I'm throwing a little coat of primer on it, the same primer that I used on the front. Little trick that I use clamps to hold them all together. Makes it a lot easier to paint a bunch of them at once. This right here is 20 pieces that I'm doing at one time.
All right, we are on. This is perfect. Perfect view, bro. You still working back there. Cool. All right, here on job site, and we got the trim that I painted already. It's already on. It's gonna make painting a whole lot easier. So we do the little trim going around, and then we're gonna start doing the design next. This is 8 inches, so what I'm using as a template, I got the 2 colors because I ran out of green, the ones that I pre-painted, and now I'm just using the primed ones. And then as we go, those get painted throughout the process. But we are making some progress, and it's a little simple wall. It shouldn't take too much longer. Stuff gotta get done.
So if you want to know my setup, so this is my setup outside. I have the battery operated DeWalt miter saw. Got my little trash can to throw all my loose pieces in. And then here, in the trailer, the builder's box. And this thing got a lot going on. All the extra slats are right there. Sander, which is needed later. Painters, brad nailers, all that good stuff. Tools, level, little scribing thing, brad nailer, of course, paintbrush. This right here is a string, pop along, some extra caulk, filler, some caulk. This is a angle finder. This is really handy. And then we got just some normal scissors, spreader, pencil, screwdrivers. And then we got the iPad where we play our music. So to speed up the process, Paul is over there caulking, and I'm still working on the design part. So caulking the edges, filling the holes, and filling the seams. So we filled it with Bondo, and we'll sand all of this. All of that will be sanded smooth, so everything looks like one seamless piece. So I just got finished spraying with that. So there you have it. Wall's complete. Everything. You might see some of the spots that still need to dry. But all in all, everything is complete. There you go. Oh, appreciate you.